Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the 70mm X200 dashcam. 70mm claims that this dashcam can record a 360-degree video. In this review, we will go through the specifications, features, build quality, installation, and the actual performance of this dashcam on the road. So let's start this video with a quick unboxing. In the futuristic looking box, you will find a 12-volt power adapter which has two USB ports, one for your dashcam and the other can be used for some other accessory. You will also get a Type-C USB cable which is quite long, a crowbar for installing this dashcam and for opening up the trims or hiding the cable, and the dashcam itself. Inside the box, you will also find two electrostatic stickers, a double-sided adhesive sticker, and a manual. If you want to use the 24-hour parking mode of this camera, you will have to buy the optional hardwire kit separately. By using this kit, your camera will be always on. But keep in mind, it will be using your car's battery. The design of this dashcam is quite unusual. It looks more like a toy. It's in a dual color combination. One is grey and the other glossy black. This dashcam can be detached from the mount. It comes with a speaker at the bottom, a 1.2-inch screen, a 140-degree angle camera which is rotatable and can be controlled by voice. It also has a Type-C port and buttons for navigation of the menu and power. It has a 360-degree rotating view with the help of a 340-degree rotating motor and a 140-degree lens. I will show you actually how this thing works while I'm driving on the road. And it has night vision, HDR, has a 1.5 aperture, 300 mAh lithium battery. It has built-in storage which ranges from 32 GB to 128 GB. The camera that I'm using has 128 GB. It records video in 1080p with 30 or 60 FPS. Has built-in GPS. You can see your location and the speed. Has 24-hour parking mode, AI detection, ADAS, app, and voice control. It also supports loop recording and time-lapse. After downloading the app, you will have to create an account. Without the account, you cannot use this camera, so keep that in mind. Connecting to the camera using this app was not that easy. I had to turn on my Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the 5G network. And after that, I added the camera and this video played. And after this video played, it asked me to again add the camera. From the menu, I again selected the camera and added it. After some time, it asked me for my location. Then it asked me to add it from the Wi-Fi. I found the camera in the Wi-Fi list and I connected to it after adding the password that was 12345678. So after adding the camera, I was asked to select the language. I selected English, and after that I was asked to use some electrostatic sticker. Don't use it without it. And the final adjustment of the camera. That was about it, and it was finally added and working. In the app, you can have a live view, you can see the albums, you can set the settings. Now let's see which settings can we adjust in the settings menu. From the settings, you can choose the video format, the resolution, the clip duration, HDR. You can choose to show or not show the speed and coordinates, the logo. You can choose the ADAS, but for ADAS, you will have to calibrate the camera by driving it for several minutes. There are so many settings that you can change, and the layout of this app is very easy and simple, so anybody can use it easily. I will be installing the dashcam on the right side of the rear view mirror. Before installing the camera, clean the windscreen with some isopropanol and wipe it dry with the help of a microfiber cloth. After making sure that the windscreen is completely dry, remove the protective layer on the electrostatic sticker and apply the electrostatic sticker onto the windscreen and remove any bubbles. After removing the protective layer on the adhesive sticker on the mount of the dashcam, you can attach the dashcam onto the electrostatic sticker. And you can adjust the angle of the dashcam. The dashcam has a cute virtual assistant that can be turned off, and you can replace it with the live view or a clock. In addition to this, you can remove the dashcam from the mount, so it's very easy to transfer the files from the camera to your computer. You can also transfer files to your phone via Wi-Fi. In the dashcam, the video files are arranged into different folders like normal, event, vlog, and parking modes. And the video file size of a 1-minute video is around 181 MBs, and the bitrate is 20,000 kpbs. Now I will show you the actual performance of this dashcam on the road. Here you can see that the number plates of the cars are clear and legible. The contrast is good. You can still see the sky is blue, the clouds are white, and the saturation is good. And the sharpness is okay. Don't expect 4K quality from a 1080p camera. And here in this clip you can see the performance of the wide lens of this dashcam. It is capturing all of the lanes of the highway. But you guys might be wondering, where is the 360-degree view of this camera? Now let's talk about that. So for recording a 360-degree view of the road, you will have to say shoot vlog, and the camera will pan and make a video like this. So when it's recording the video inside the car, it's not recording outside. So if something happens outside, it will not be recorded. So this feature is good if you are just looking for some casual use of this dashcam as a vlog camera, or you want to save something that's happening inside the car. In the next clip you will see how this camera can shoot left when you ask it to shoot left. It will stay in this position for several seconds and then it will start recording the front again. But if you want the camera to stay in that position for a longer time, you will have to set it manually from the app.
Shoot left.
And for recording the right side, just give it a command to shoot right. So in this way you can record any direction while driving, but it will not be recording all the directions at once, like an actual 360 camera. Now I will show you the performance of this dashcam's ADAS feature. It was good for telling me about the cars in front of me and the lane departure feature, but the pedestrian feature was not working properly.
Lane departure. Caution, front car. Caution, front car.
The night performance of this dashcam was just okay. If the cars are on the side, reading the number plates will be a bit difficult. And now I will share my thoughts about this dashcam. If you are looking for a decent 1080p dashcam that can record number plates easily during the day, and you want some camera that can record inside as well, and like recording 360 style videos while driving the car, and you can record sides of the car whenever you want by saying a command, this cam can be good for you. But if you are looking for a dashcam that you want to strictly use for the forward view and you want sharp detail and things like that, in my opinion, choosing a 4K camera will be better for you. Personally, I will use this camera as a secondary camera in my car. While going on trips, you can just say shoot left, shoot right, and you can get a scene absolutely at that time, at that moment. Otherwise, you have to take out the camera and that usually takes time. So I will use this camera in that way. And this was all about today's review of the Omni X200 dashcam. If this video was helpful for you, a like will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.